Breastfeeding is an incredible journey that nourishes your baby, providing them with the essential nutrients they need to grow and thrive, and deepens your bond. It's a natural process, one that has been perfected over millions of years of evolution, but it's also intricate and fascinating. Understanding how your body makes milk and the hormones involved can make this experience even more awe-inspiring. The process begins with the release of hormones like prolactin and oxytocin, which play crucial roles in milk production and the letdown reflex. From the moment your baby is born, your body is ready to provide the perfect nourishment. The first milk, known as colostrum, is rich in antibodies and acts as your baby's first vaccine, protecting them from infections. Breast milk is tailored to your baby's needs, changing in composition as they grow. As your baby develops, the milk adapts to provide the right balance of nutrients, fats, and proteins. It contains antibodies that protect your baby from illness and nutrients that support their development. These antibodies help build your baby's immune system, making them more resilient to common infections and diseases. But breastfeeding is much more than just nutrition. It's a time for you and your baby to connect on a deeper level, fostering a sense of security and comfort. It's a beautiful dance between mother and baby, orchestrated by powerful hormones. The act of breastfeeding releases oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone, which helps strengthen the emotional bond between you and your baby. Let's delve into the science behind this incredible process. By understanding the biological mechanisms at play, you can appreciate the miracle of breastfeeding even more. From the initial latch to the ongoing production of milk, the pituitary gland, a small but mighty organ located at the base of the brain, is a key player in the breastfeeding process. This tiny gland, often referred to as the master gland, orchestrates a symphony of hormonal activities that are crucial for various bodily functions, including lactation. When your baby begins to suckle, the pituitary gland springs into action, releasing two crucial hormones, prolactin and oxytocin. These hormones are the unsung heroes of breastfeeding, working tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure that your baby receives the nourishment they need. Prolactin and oxytocin work in perfect harmony to make and deliver breast milk to your baby. Prolactin is responsible for the production of milk, while oxytocin ensures that the milk is released and flows through the ducts to your baby's eager mouth. Prolactin, often called the mothering hormone, is responsible for milk production. It stimulates the mammary glands in your breasts to produce milk, ensuring that there is always a steady supply ready for your little one. Without prolactin, the milk-making process would come to a halt. Think of prolactin as the milk-making manager, ensuring a steady supply for your little one. It works around the clock, responding to your baby's needs and making sure that there is always enough milk to go around. Oxytocin, on the other hand, plays a different but equally important role. It triggers the release of milk, a process known as the letdown reflex. When your baby suckles, oxytocin causes the muscles around the milk-producing glands to contract, pushing the milk through the ducts and out of the nipple. These hormones don't just work behind the scenes. They also have profound effects on your emotions, fostering a deep bond between you and your baby. The release of oxytocin, often called the love hormone, during breastfeeding helps to create a sense of calm and well-being, making the experience even more special. The emotional benefits of breastfeeding are just as important as the physical ones. The act of breastfeeding allows for skin-to-skin contact, eye contact, and the exchange of loving gazes between mother and baby. This intimate interaction helps to strengthen the emotional connection and build a strong foundation for a lifelong bond. Breastfeeding isn't just a physical act. It's an emotional experience that strengthens the connection between mother and child. It's a time for bonding, for nurturing, and for creating memories that will last a lifetime. The hormones prolactin and oxytocin play a crucial role in this process, making breastfeeding a truly magical experience for both mother and baby.